Hello everyone, and welcome back to DMG. This huge box of old hardware. I bought this off of someone on the LTT forums. If you sent this to me, you know who you are. If you're watching this, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. They sent me this for the price of shipping, which was like $22. So it has, I think, 2 motherboards, a couple video cards, and some RAM. I haven't actually looked at anything in the box. I just opened it off camera because these flaps had the shipping label, which had my address. So I didn't want to show those. So of course I'll go for the low-hanging fruit, the really obvious. It's a motherboard. Now this is what we had originally talked about me buying from him, and then he asked if I needed any other old hardware because he found some other stuff while looking for this that he didn't need. So this is a motherboard from Asus. It's a P5QL CM. He stuck an Intel stock cooler on there, and I believe it has a Pentium dual core, like an E6000 or something in there. I forget exactly what CPU is in there. However, maybe it's an E5200. That sounds familiar. He shipped it in a B450M box with the top cut off. But I mean, it was all really well packaged and shipped. I'm gonna take a closer look at this board. Looks like we've got some RAM in it. What is this? This is DDR2. It says it on it. And yeah, DDR2 800. Doesn't tell us the rank or anything. From Avexer, maybe? There we go. Now we've got a nice copper heatsink here. It's a decent motherboard, and it's LGA 775, so I've been wanting to do some more 775, you know, some stuff like overclocking, BSEL, that sort of thing. So, you know, that'll be quite nice, and this board will definitely make future appearances. Oh yeah, and it's got integrated graphics on the chipset. So we've got, I think, that's DisplayPort, VGA, DVI. Then a couple USB ports, you know, audio out, the normal for a motherboard. Then here we've got cardboard. Is there anything in here? No, that's just for separation. Then this feels heavy. Is this the other? I think this is the other motherboard. I'm gonna grab some scissors. Yeah, here we go. It's a little Intel Atom board. This thing is adorable. It's a gigabyte board. GAD525TUD. Looks like we've got 2 SATA ports. A little IDE connector. Is that 20 pin or 24? 10. So it's a 20 pin, so this is probably pretty old. Yeah, 20 pin and PCI, so probably not quite the newest thing. Looks like he slapped a Noctua fan on it, which is absolutely hilarious. But yeah, just oh, we have 2 more SATA ports. I didn't even see those. But I mean, for a super tiny XP system or something, this would be kind of cool. I'll take a look at what that is later. Now looks like we got some spaghetti sauce. Arctic Silver 5. Oh, that's an old tube of Arctic Silver 5 too. That's awesome. Now I think he sent 2 video cards as well. I think they're like 9400 GTs or something. in the sleeve. Yeah, that's some sort of video card. Let's see if it says anywhere. Alright, yeah, it does not say anywhere on the card what it is. But I do believe it is the 9400 BT. Maybe it's the GeForce 210. I mean, it could be a lot of things. And then this one is another video card, probably. Or maybe just a lot of packaged RAM. Looks like another video card. An older one. It's got S-video. And it's full height. Okay, this is the 9400 GT. Alright. Pretty beefy passive heatsink. I don't know, maybe gigabyte? I don't know what it is. It is a 1 gigabyte card. And it's pretty decently dusty. So yes, I'm pretty sure this is the GeForce 210. So there are those little video cards, and I think that should be it. But before I get rid of this box, I just want to make sure that there is nothing else under. That is the extent of it. So when I get back to the lab, I'm going to plug a few of these up, and you know, I'll plug the video cards into boards and see what they are. Then I'll plug this up, you know, see how it does, see what CPU is in here. And then this one, same with this board, check out what CPU it's got. And then I'll do future videos of, you know, overclocking with this board, because this board does support overclocking. But yes, that is it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. And yeah, see you next time.